Hello children, I am Sumati madam going to teach you social study for standard 5 students. The lesson 5, DRC, the land of dense forest. So children, take out the book, page number 31. DRC, the Democratic Republic of Congo. The full form of DRC, that is the Democratic Republic of Congo. It's a country is located in African continent. It lies in the torrid zone, and you all see the map. This is DRC. It is passes through the equator. Now we'll see the history of DRC. Some years ago, it was ruled by the Belgium, and the country DRC got its independence in 1960. When it was ruled by Belgium, it was named as Belgian Congo. Again in 1971, its name changed from Belgian Congo to Zaire. Once again in 1997, the name changed to DRC or Democratic Republic of Congo, which is its present name, and its capital is Kinshasa. See the map again. In this lesson, we will discuss about the climate, its vegetation, wildlife, natural resources, its people, the means of transport found in the DRC. See the map again. The landscape of the country is dominated by the river Congo. It means the Congo basin covers almost the entire country. In the eastern part, that is high mountains and plateaus in south and southwest. The Congo River is the main attraction of this country, which is the second longest river in Africa and seventh longest river in the world. See the picture in the next page, how the Congo basin covers almost all part of the DRC. The Congo River flows through dense rainforest of DRC. The climate, already I told you, the country is near the equator. So, the climate of this country is very hot throughout the year. And the hot temperature, which causes high level of humidity, and the humidity causes clouds to build up, and heavy rains occurs by afternoon, and the rain occurs in afternoon. It happens every day, which makes the region one of the wettest region in the world. But the same type of climate is not there in other parts, means in southern part. It doesn't rain so much. So, in this part, the climate is, summer is hot and wet, and the winter is cool and dry. Now we will discuss the vegetation. Because of the hot and humid climate, it is ideal for the growth of dense forest, and the forest is named as tropical rainforest. About tropical rainforest, we should know that this is evergreen forest because of the climate, and variety of trees are found there, and trees of the forest are covered with leaves throughout the years, and the size of the leaves are very big, and trees are also very tall, and the leaves form a canopy at the top which prevents sunlight from passing through. And some small trees like creepers, climbers and shrubs, they grow below the canopy, and very few plants can grow under it. Put tick mark, did you know? See the picture of the rainforest. In the southern part, the climate is not so hot and wet. So, in this part, vegetation also different. Instead of dense forest like tropical rainforest, in this part, there are some grasslands with a few scattered trees. And such open grasslands are called savanna. So, the country is divided into two parts. In one part, that is tropical rainforest, full of forest, big trees, tall trees, and some other parts, that is grassland, and it is called savanna. Then wildlife. The country is covered with the dense forest. That's why so many wild animals are found there. In the forest, I mean the tropical rainforest, and in savannas. Elephant, buffalo, gorillas, chimpanzees, baboons, hippopotamus, rhinoceros are found in the forest, I mean the rainforest. And animals like lion, leopard, giraffe, zebra, wolves, elephant and chimpanzees are found in savannas. Plenty of crocodiles are there in rivers, many type of birds, insects, and the most important insect, that is tsetse fly, which causes the disease like sleeping sickness. So this is about the wildlife of DRC. Now we'll see the natural resources. DRC has rich natural resources. The vast deposits of minerals like copper, cobalt, gold, uranium, diamond in southern part of DRC. It is the world's largest deposit of cobalt, and most minerals are exported to other countries. Here you see 48% of the land of DRC is covered with forest. So, DRC has one of the best forest resources in Africa. And another important natural resource, that is the water. Dams built on the river produce electricity. Agriculture. Farming is done in large areas from where forests have been cleared. The forest areas are cleared and these crops are grown there, which are cassava, maize, rice, coffee, cocoa, rubber and cotton. And also these crops also export to other countries. The people, the most important thing, that is DRC is thinly populated. It means very less people are living there. Most people live in villages. Very few people live in cities. Means 30% of the people live in cities where there is modern facilities, and the rich people of the cities, they live in houses, apartments, they drive cars, they get all the facilities. But the poor people, they live in unhealthy conditions and live in a very crowded areas. It means in slums. the village, in the village, the villagers, they live in huts or in separate or in groups. There are about 200 tribes in DRC. Among 200 tribes, the most well-known inhabitants of DRC are Pygmies. Remember the name Pygmies. Before, many years before, only the Pygmies, they lived throughout the DRC and other parts of Central Africa. Not only in DRC, other parts of Africa also they were living. But now they are fewer in number. They live in very certain parts of the rainforest. How they look, Pygmies? They are short in height. They get their food by hunting animals, gathering plant foods. They live in camp for some days. Again, they move to some other place to get their food and hunting animals. In some places, they make huts out of branches and leaves. Pygmies, they do not wear many clothes because of the climate. Hot and humid climates, they do not wear many clothes. But on special occasion, they wear beautiful clothes and enjoy singing, dancing and telling story. Did you know here? Put tick mark. And down also one, did you know? There put tick mark. The transport. Rail and road connect cities with each other, but land transport is not so well developed. Only the water transport is the major means of transport over the river Congo. So I have finished the chapter. I now know, underline some important words and learn these 5 sentences. Write there, fill in the blanks. Come to the next page. That is words to remember. Before also I have discussed how the words to remember it will come as define the term. In the question it will come, only the word will come. You write the full sentence. For example, savanna, and you will write a large flat areas of grassland with scattered trees found in warm part of the world. So in this way you learn by heart. Read the chapter thoroughly, underline some important lines. Now I will discuss about exercise. Fill in the blanks, true, false and multiple choice. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The capital of Democratic Republic Congo is Kinshasa. Number 2. DRC is situated in the tropical zone in the continent of Africa. Number 3. The longest river of DRC is Congo. Number 4. Most of DRC is covered with tropical rainforest. Number 5. Vegetation consisting of grasslands with short trees is known as savanna. True, false. Number 1. Most inhabitants of present day DRC are pygmies. False. Most people in DRC live in cities. False. 3. It rains almost every day in the tropical rainforest of DRC. True. Savanna are grasslands. True. DRC exports most of its mineral. True. Pygmies settle down in village and grow crops. False. Multiple choice. Number 1. From 1971 to 1997, DRC was known as Ansar A. Zaire. Number 2. In the part of DRC near the equator, it rains Ansar C almost every day throughout the year. Number 3. Other than tropical rainforest, DRC has also grasslands. 4. Sleeping sickness is caused by tsetse fly. Number 5. The main source of income of DRC is export of minerals and agriculture produce. Now I am going to discuss about answer the following question. Question number 1. What was DRC known as? A. Before 1971, B. Between 1971 and 1997, C. At present. Answer. A. Before 1971, DRC was known as Belgian Congo. B. Between 1971 and 1997, DRC was named as Zaire. C. At present, it is known as Democratic Republic of Congo. DRC, its capital is Kinshasa. Question number 2. What kind of climate does DRC have? Being near the equator, the climate in most part of DRC is very hot throughout the year. The rapid evaporation of water due to temperature leads to high level of humidity, causes heavy rain occurs by afternoon. In southern part of DRC, the summer is hot and wet and winter is cool and dry. Question number 3. Describe a tropical rainforest. The hot and humid climate of the DRC is ideal for the growth of dense forest called tropical rainforest. They are evergreen forest and the trees are covered with leaves throughout the year. Trees are tall and form a canopy of leaves at the top. This prevents sunlight from passing through. Question number 4. Why is most of the DRC covered with tropical rainforest? Answer number 4. Most of the DRC is covered with tropical rainforest because of its hot and humid climate, which is ideal for the growth of this forest. Question number 5. What is savanna? Which parts of the DRC have this type of vegetation? In some parts of the DRC, there are grasslands with a few scattered trees. Such open grasslands are called savanna. Mostly the southern part of DRC have this type of vegetation. Question number 6. Name 4 animals found in plenty in tropical rainforest and 4 found in the savanna. Answer. 4 animals found in tropical rainforest are elephant, buffalo, gorillas and chimpanzees. 4 animals found in the savannas are lion, leopard, giraffe and zebras. Question number 7. Which dangerous insect present in the forest of the DRC causes sleeping sickness? Answer. Tsetse fly in the forest of DRC causes sleeping sickness. Question number 8. Describe the way pygmies live. Pygmies live in camps for few weeks and then they move to a new place. They make huts out of branches and leaves. They get their food by hunting animals and gathering food. See the answer again. So I have discussed all 8 question answer. Exercise fill in the blanks, true, false, multiple choice. Now children, you write question and answer in the copy in good handwriting. And also you learn the answers, read the lesson thoroughly, underline some important lines. Hope you all understood. Thank you.